In this episode of Repair, Restore, Revive, we switch gears and introduce Cody. With AMD sheet metal readily available for his '67 Camaro, Cody begins the long journey of taking on his first restoration. You gotta see the condition this Camaro is in.